Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn what is shadowing variable, what is the effect, and how we to solve the shadowing variable. Okay, without any further ado, let's go to the code. So in here I already create a variable main.go here. Then first we create a package main, and then the function main here. Then first, let's say to accommodate the shadowing variable, first we will create a new variable. Let's say we in here declare a value which I will assign the default value to be 0, and then I will add a boolean in here, which is, let's say it will be let's say it class A, which is true, or already taken test, right? Taken test will be true, and then in here I will create a logic. If taken test true, we will create a function to add a value to the value variable, right? So let's say in here we take a value, then an error, then we create a function, which is the function, let's say adding 10 in here. Then don't forget to create a function of adding 10. Here we will give a return value of 2, yeah, which is the first one is integer and the second one is error. So integer and error in here, and then in here we will simply just to return or adding 10 to our value variable. For the sake of the sample, let's say just return 10, and then yeah. Okay, so in Go, as usual, we check the error. If the error is not nil, so we will print out the error for now. But if the error is not exist, we just print out the value in here. Let's say we add a mark in here, value if taken test true, right? So let's create another, which is an else. In here we simply can copy this one, copy in here, then we change between, rather than we are adding 10, we just want to adding 5 in here, let's say. Then we change this one if it false, and then we create another function to be adding 5, I mean 5. Then we change this one to be 5 also, right? So the first one also we will print out, print line the value, then we will mark it as the result value after the logic. Alright, so if we run this file, what do you expect? Shadowing variable main.go. See, the first output in here, the value is 10 because the taken test is true, but the result value is 0. Why it can be happen? Meanwhile, we already adding a new value. We add a value to the value variable, which is in this code, but in the result still taken just this one, just 0 value. That is the shadowing variable. Why it can be happen? Because if you can see in line 10 in here, we already redeclare. Remember in Golang, if you put like this one and then an equal, it means redeclare, because we already declared the variable in line 6 in here. That's why the value is not updated to here, to the number 6 line, yeah. So how we can solve it? There is a several option, but I will give you an example. In here, we can use a temporary variable. Let's say we will change this one to be only v, and then in the print line also v, but in here we will assign the value with the value of v, temporary variable, like this. Okay, we will try also in here, yeah, this one, and then we also assign it v. Alright, now if we run this code right now, it should be updated the value from here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's already updated. Alright, how if the taken test is false? If the taken test is false, it means this will not go into the scope. Instead, we are going to else scope in here. And because in this scope we already adding 5, it should be updated and reflected to the value in here will be 5 also. Let's see. Yeah, right. Now the value of the value variable is 5. So it's already updated by using this temporary variable to avoid the shadowing variable. Alright, so I hope you can see from here how to avoid this shadowing variable in Go. Thank you.